treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Dodge Challenger. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle offers power, spaciousness, and durability in a refined and innovative package. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and power windows. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.